In this video, we'll explore the space profile, where all your space's key information and tools are stored. After logging in, find your space in the space list and open its profile. The space profile consists of 4 main areas: the top bar, where you can see your exact location within the platform and have access to key options such as status control, sharing and embedding, and editing tools. The left navigation panel allows you to switch between different sections of the profile. Collapse or expand the menu depending on what you want to focus on. Located next to it is the details panel, where all relevant information is displayed. On the right is the space viewer, which loads your space and updates its appearance based on the section you're in. Let's take a look at each section in more detail. The main profile screen provides an overview of your space. From here, you can easily edit the space name, update the notes, and add or remove tags. This information is internal and only visible to you or your organization. In the location section, you can see your space placed on an interactive outdoor map. Similar to other maps, you can see the exact address and both decimal and GPS coordinates. From the Tree Dots menu, you can edit or clear the location. Reports allow you to showcase data in a Smplrspace environment, whether it's for leasing information, rent rolls, or maintenance logs. Using our templates, reports can be quickly set up and adapted for many use cases or used as a knowledge hub. The settings section includes several tools for customizing and exporting your space. First is Preview Image. It is used in the space list, in its preview state, and when you share a public link of a space on social media or messaging platforms. You also have the option to export custom images of the space, or you can even export the entire space in 3D encode formats. The rest of the options allow you to duplicate your space, transfer it from one account to another, and lastly, to delete it permanently. So far, we've covered the viewing mode of the space profile. You can access the editing mode from the top bar. In the Edit menu, you can choose from the tools available for your account, or you can open the Edit toolbox if you are not sure how to proceed. The toolbox provides a short getting started guide, a list of all tools with description and tips to help you out with digitization, integrations, and more. Let's quickly go through each of the tools. The Edit Layout tool is where you digitize your floor plan by tracing walls and structural elements, placing doors and windows, and adjusting dimensions. To quickly switch between tools, use the buttons located in the top bar. Go to Add Equipment to place furniture, machinery, and fixtures. Choose from the Smplrspace built-in catalog or import your custom 3D models. With the next tool, you can locate your space and render it automatically on the world map. If your space is already located, you'll see an option to edit its location. With the Entity Manager, you can identify and position any item you have data about, usually from your database or an Excel file. This is the first step to creating data layers and reports. To exit the editing mode, press Done in the top bar. You'll notice its background changing from dark to white, so you always know whether you're in editing or viewing mode. In both modes, you can access status controls and sharing options. While your space is in draft mode, you can edit it, but public sharing and embedding are disabled. Once your space is live, you'll be able to create a public access link and embed it using JavaScript or an iframe. And now you know how to navigate the space profile, customize settings, and access editing tools.